Hi, this is Dr. Gary. Welcome to the Daily Tune-Up today. It's a brand new week, it's Monday, and I'm wishing you a very good week this week. You know, over the past probably 30 days now, I've been receiving a lot of emails and text messages that are generated from the Mind Talk show each Wednesday night, which is live right here on drgary.tv. However, I do receive them regarding just general subjects, and one of the main things I'm hearing from most of you right now is you're having a hard time with negativity. You're having a hard time with dealing with all the negative press. In fact, I had one person tell me just the other evening on the phone that they feel everything is falling apart. You can't count on anything. The stock market, you can't count on your job, you can't count on income, you can't count on the government to do the right thing, you can't count on your job to last. So they want to know what I think about it. And keep in mind, one of the things I treasure myself on is not to give advice in what you ought to do or should do, because I think that should is that virus word. But my view on this right now is we're all in this together. No matter what's going on in your life, I understand. I'm not immune to this either. You know, and when things get tough, things can get even tougher. You know, people run scams on other people. People run campaigns of anger towards people. They'll do anything because of desperation, feelings of desperation, lack of money, high stress. I've been subject of this myself. And all I can say is those people that attack you, that are firing you, that are putting negativity out there, you got to still bless them. Because deep down somewhere inside them, they believe they're doing the right thing. You know, no matter what's going on in your life right now, what I want you to do is pull inside of yourself and rally to yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and see that there's a vital human being there. There's a person that matters. And remember, I know it's hard to stay up with all the negativity. We got a lot of stuff going on right now that's not good. But you know, there's a lot of stuff going on right now that is good, and one of the main things going on right now that is good is you. If you can just kind of keep yourself going and pick yourself up a little bit and spread that to the next person, you know, we can virally market good intentions across this world. However, if we all fall for the negativity, if we all act out in it and do negative things towards other people, whether it's in anger or desperation or fear, or just our own denial that doesn't allow us to heal ourselves and we want to blame it on someone else, I understand that. And if you're the subject of that yourself in your own life, like I have been, you just got to forgive those people and wish them the best and move on. You know, we all know what our own personal intentions are, and I believe all of your personal intentions are good. And you know, everyone waking up in the morning never wakes up with the idea they're going to make it a bad day. So today, let's take a look at ourselves and let's rise above some of the muck and understand all the news out there that's going on. One of the problems is we're hearing everything all the time too much. This is the first time in history there's been this much news and we've been this bombarded with this much information from cell phones, video games, television, radio, walkie-talkies. Who knows? We might even be receiving information through our dental implants, the way things go these days. So just turn some of that stuff up and trust the universe and trust yourself to do the right thing, and then do the right thing. Until tomorrow, this is Dr. Gary. Know that I care about you, know that I love you, and I appreciate you, and I'm right here for you at any time. So until tomorrow, I'm wishing you an extraordinary day. Turn off that news. Bye-bye.